Hey everyone, meet the long arm of the law, Jimmy Hendrix. Jimmy Hendrix will cut down this tree. Jimmy Hendrix cannot cut tree down. Must get tractor. Freezing Arctic. Don't like at all. Trying to find tractor. There you are, tractor. Brum 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 brum. Are you the tree that ruined my life? Here you go, tree. No, that definitely wasn't the tree. Where's the tree that ruined my life? Here's the tree that ruined my life. So long, tree that ruined my life. May all trees die! Die, 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 die! And as soon as the man said that, people were chopping down trees everywhere. Pew, 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 pew! Tree gone! Tree go down! Smash, smash, smash! That wasn't a tree. Meh, close enough. So this despicable man right here, Jimmy Hendrix, is the one you should blame for all trees being cut down. Goodbye. This is William Shakespeare Productions. Thank you for your insurance.